Which character's life changed in an instant? Which character doesn't take no for an answer? Which character embarks on a journey of no return? Meet Ali Riza Altai. Ali Riza Altai is a taxi driver who lives with his family in a family-first neighborhood in Istanbul. With the early death of his father, Ali bid farewell to his university dream and took on the responsibility of taking care of his family. For Ali, the only two things worth picking a fight for are family and honor. Ali's small and ordinary life changes in an instant when he jumps in to defend a vulnerable customer who was trying to escape a violent situation with his taxi. The chain of events that subsequently follow will force Ali to embark on a compulsory journey, transitioning him from an ordinary taxi driver to an important figurehead in Istanbul's biggest crime empire. His name will now be simply A. Riza. The incredible Tolga Sarıtaş plays Ali Riza. Meet Halide Gürkan. Halide is the precious daughter of Hashmet Gürkan, the kingpin of Istanbul's largest crime syndicate. She works as a doctor in Van and lives a simple life. Although she is calm and compassionate in temperament, she is very courageous. Halide's life turned dark on the day her mother and brothers were murdered right before her eyes. For years, she has wondered in sadness why she survived the massacre. While in Istanbul for her father's birthday, some truths about what really happened in the day of the massacre begin to come to light. Halide will cross paths with Ali Riza when trying to escape Burak Ersoylu's obsessive grip. The outcome of that showdown will change her and Ali's life, marking the beginning of a deadly battle marked in their love. Our favorite Ayça Ayşin Turan plays Halide. Meet Hashmet Gürkan. Hashmet is Halide's father, and he has been partaking in illegal activities since he was young. Nothing matters more than loyalty to Hashmet. After effortlessly conducting a series of very deadly operations at lightning speed in separate locations the same day, Hashmet earned the place as the king of the underground world. Hashmet's life changed on the dark day his wife and sons were murdered by Fuat, someone he trusted and took under his wing. Hashmet left his dark ways behind him after the massacre, but with the secrets that will come to light, he will make an unexpected comeback alongside Ali Riza. Veteran actor Ahmet Mumtaz Taylan plays Hashmet. Meet Burak Ersoylu. Burak Ersoylu is the king of the crime world, the second son and heir to Fuat Ersoylu. Burak's mother passed away after battling depression and cancer. The lack of breast milk, love, and affection in Burak's life created a huge void that gradually turned him into a psychopathic and obsessive character. And this time, he has his sights set on Halide. Even though he thinks what he feels for Halide is love, Burak is too numb and narcissistic to know what true love really is. As Burak is used to having everything he wants, when Halide turns him down, his bruised ego would lead him to make mistakes that will eventually turn into a full-blown war with Ali Riza. The character Burak is played by actor Olgun Toker. Meet Fuat Ersoylu. Fuat Ersoylu had a difficult life when his father was killed. His father's friend, Hashmet Gürkan, took him in and cared for him. Obsessed with being on top, Fuat, along with his sons, repaid all of Hashmet Gürkan's good deeds by massacring his two sons and wife, a crime he then blamed on their rivals. To avenge a crime he committed, he accepts Hashmet's invitation to head the crime syndicate in his place to get rid of their rivals and building the throne. Fuat's great test is his crown prince son Burak, whose obsessive love for Halide, Hashmet's daughter, will start many problems for their family. Actor Levent Can plays the character Fuat. Meet Murat Ersoylu. Murat Ersoylu is the first son of Fuat. Unlike his brother Burak, he blames himself for what happened to their mother. He loved his mother and he feels guilty about what happened to her. Soon after his mother's death, The wound inside Murad deepens as his father forced him and his brother to commit the massacre on Halideh's family. Murad's conscience will be awakened by the chain of events that will follow the showdown between his brother Burak and Ali Riza. The character Murad is played by actor Javed Jetin Güner. Meet Füsun Yilmaz. Füsun is a 25-year-old lawyer who lives in Ali Riza's neighborhood. She has long admired Ali and dreams of marrying him. With the unfortunate incident that happened to Ali, Füsun takes over his case and devotes everything she has to winning this case. Her plan to enter Ali's heart is to heal his wounds. Her plan soon gets disrupted by the emergence of Halideh. In a bid to save Ali, Füsun will embark on a journey that will completely change her and alter all her plans. The adorable Dilara Aksuyak plays Füsun. Meet Muzaffar Jura. Muzaffar is an intelligence officer in his early 50s. He works as a museum director as a front. The main thing for him is the survival of the state. For this, there is nothing and nobody he will not sacrifice, including his own life. He loves his brother's son Ali wholeheartedly. Although he does not approve of Ali Riza's path after the death of Nihan, he will realize that he can benefit from Ali Riza. Muzaffar will change Ali Riza over time and make him act with the meticulousness of a statesman, but Muzaffar too will change as he struggles with a bloody criminal network. Actor Murad Dal Taban plays the character Muzaffar. Meet Mert Altay. Mert is Ali Riza's younger brother. Although Mert lost his father when he was only 10 years old, he did not feel fatherlessness thanks to Ali Riza. Although he was pretty much raised by Ali, he was never as tidy, disciplined, or hardworking as Ali, but he did successfully graduate university. He looks up to his brother Ali Riza, but unlike Ali, Mert refuses to settle and wants better for himself and his family. After the death of his twin, Mert boards a dark path that will aid him in avenging his sister's death. Actor Yaiz Can Konyala plays Mert. Meet Mithat Tekinolu. Mithat is a former bureaucrat in his mid-50s. Mithat started his life out poor, but Hashmat catered for him and made sure he was well educated. Having been raised under Hashmat's influence at a very young age, Mithat's every move is influenced by Hashmat. No one would ever guess Mithat is into some shady business. Mithat is married to Melek, and although there is no love in their marriage, they have gotten used to each other over time. Mithat thought that he would finally rise to the top of the crime empire after the death of Hashmat's family, but Hashmat destroyed all of Mithat's plan when he named Fuad the new leader of the crime organization. Mithat is played by actor Ali Riza Kublai. Meet Melek Tekinolu. Melek is Halideh's aunt. She married Mithat, and even though there is no love in their marriage, she soon got accustomed to his bureaucratic life. The death of her sister, Halideh's mom, and her nephews hit Melek really hard, and she blames Hashmat for what happened. Now, she's thought up a brilliant plan to use Ali's situation to help her husband rise to the top of the criminal empire. Yeshim Salkim plays the character Melek. Meet Deria Tekinolu. Deria is in her late 20s and she is the daughter of Halideh's aunt Melek. Thanks to the wealth of her family, she lived a prosperous and spoiled childhood. Work and school has never been of interest to her. Instead, she enjoys going on trips abroad, shopping, and taking great care of her physique and appearance. Deria is fully aware of her father's dirty work with Hashmat and Fuad, and she does not feel uncomfortable about it. Her main priority is being able to maintain her current standard of living along with the wealth she has. She loves Halideh wholeheartedly and secretly admires her. But when it comes to the interest of her family, she will not hesitate to put even Halideh in danger. The character Deria is played by Hassel Benli. Meet Hassan Kirbash. Hassan is in his 50s and he works at the taxi station where Ali Riza works. Hassan had a difficult life, spending nearly 16 years of his life in various prisons. After running into a handful of problems, Hassan decided to trade his bad ways for a much more normal and relaxed life where he nurtures the children in his neighborhood. Hassan was one of the first to recognize the potential in Ali, and he put him to work at the same taxi station as him in order to train him and keep him away from problems. When Ali goes to war with the famous mafia fathers of Istanbul, Hassan will be the one to advise and guide him. Hassan is played by veteran actor Ali Seçkiner Alıcı. Meet Rukiye Altay. Rukiye is a widow and mother of 4 children, one of whom is Ali Riza. She has a heart of gold and is always ready to help those in need. Rukiye's weakness is her resistance to change. The loss of her daughter Nihan hit Rukiye like a storm, but she never yelled or cussed at Halide, who she believes caused everything. Like with everything else she does, Rukiye is dignified. Veteran actress Yeşim Gül plays Rukiye. Now that you know who is who, Arıza premieres on Show TV on September 13.